Good morning. I'm making some nopales con blanquillos. This is some nopales with some eggs that I canned some nopales a while back. Found some already made Cactus. So Cactus is really a healthy, it's a superfood. And I canned it like my mother used to can it. So I canned some this last season, and I thought, well, let me make my mom's favorite, nopales and eggs. So, and I'm just going to turn that off, and basically what I did was just add a little bit of oil, and then I put the nopales in first because I want the nopales to heat up first, and then I added the eggs, and I just stir it, and that's it. And you have some nopales, and it's great in a burrito. If you have some tortillas, oh, that's good. Oh yeah, and it's perfect for one person. I just put a couple eggs in there. Oh yeah, a delicious vegetarian, or well, it has eggs, so I don't think so. So I'm doing that while I had the last left of my tamalitos in there. So I'm making some tamales. These are chicken mole and was it pumpkin? Was it pumpkin? I forget, or was it butternut squash? I don't know. Oh yeah, it was pumpkin. Pumpkin and chicken mole, and then I have some bolitas in there, which are jalapenos. But I'm going to have my eggs and nopales for right now. Yeah, this is good. I'll talk to you later. Bye.